make one video this year, let it be this one. Hey guys, welcome back to the enTICEing Media YouTube channel. My name is enTICE. I am co-owner and co-founder of enTICEing Media, where we help busy entrepreneurs like you over the age of 40 maybe, help you create video content that is less overwhelming and more impactful. There is one video that works for every business, no matter what industry, niche, or even budget. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to break that down, tell you exactly what it is, why it works, and how to make it without losing your mind or your weekend. I love to travel on the weekends. I don't want to be making videos. Well, I do make videos on the weekends. Check out Kenny and Nell on YouTube. All right. So what is that one video? That video is your brand story video. Some people call it a profile video. That's what we call it. Sometimes it's an about us video or even a welcome video. But really what it is, it's a video that gets to show the world who you are, what you do, and why you do it. And honestly, you should really keep it under 3 minutes. So here's why it works. It builds trust with your target audience and your prospective clients. It works on your website, on your socials, on your emails, and even at events. You can definitely turn cold leads into warm leads just by showing them this video. And you can even put a tiny little video on your Zoom waiting room screen. Did you know that? I just figured that one out not too long ago. It's pretty cool. So it's like a digital handshake or a digital business card, honestly. Let's be real. Nobody has time for like boring corporate fluff anymore, and people want real stories, real connection, authenticity, and they want to feel emotionally connected to you and what you do. So profile video is a great way to showcase your vibe, your voice, and who you are and why people should buy from you. If you've ever said, I don't get quality leads, or I keep having to explain myself over and over, I just sound like a broken record, or I wish people just understood or get what I do, then this is the video that you need. So here is how to actually make that video. Number 1, have a hook. That first 5 seconds of the video is so important because you will lose interest in that first 5 seconds if you don't have a good hook. Come up with a question like, what if your content could sell for you 24/7? That's a good hook for a video. Number 2, your why. What do you do? And what drives you to do it? That is your why. Number 3, the problem. What is the struggle or the frustration that your clients or target audience typically face? So you want to be able to offer, number 4, the solution. What do you offer and how is it different from everyone else to be able to offer a solution for your clients? How can you help them solve their problems? And number 5, the impact. Definitely share results or reviews or a quick testimonial from a past client that you've had that has had success with their video. And number 6, a call to action or a CTA. This is extremely important. This is what tells people what to do next. Should they book a call? Should they go to your website? Should they subscribe to your YouTube channel? Hint, hint. So you don't need to be perfect. You just need these elements to be in your video. And that will get people trusting you and heading your way when they are ready to buy from you. So you don't need fancy video gear. You don't need some super awesome Hollywood script written by the best writers in the business. All you need is you, some natural lighting, good audio, good quality video, and a few of those bullet points, actually all of those bullet points. Like today, talking is not in my wheelhouse. If you need help creating your profile video, reach out to us at enTICEing Media. That is one thing that we absolutely love doing. We love showcasing small business owners and entrepreneurs and other brands. Just get their stories out there. People need to know who you are, why they should buy from you, what your why is and why you're doing this and why you're helping. And every story deserves to be heard and shared. So again, if you need help mapping yours out, reach out to us at enTICEing Media. You can leave a comment below You can reach out to us via email, enticingmedia@gmail.com, nell@enticingmedia.com. You can also visit any of our socials, Facebook, Instagram. You can visit me on LinkedIn, enTICE on LinkedIn. So reach out to us. You can visit to our website, enticingmedia.com. You can also book a call through there, and we are happy to help. So thanks for watching this video. Make sure you like this video, share it with a friend. Undoubtedly, you know someone else that needs to hear this message too. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and get notified for when we release new videos just like this one. So thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.